Today I'm talking about Costco Hearing Aids. The newly released Kirkland Hearing Aids, the Kirkland Signature 10, are packed with features at an incredible price. If you're looking for affordable high-tech hearing aids, you'll want to see this video. Coming up. Hi, I'm Dr. Derek, audiologist, audio engineer, and musician with ProFitHearing.com, bringing you the best insight in today's latest hearing aids, headphones, and audio technology to improve your life. If you have concerns about your hearing, always consult with your local physician or audiologist. New for 2021, Costco offers the Kirkland Signature 10 hearing aids. These hearing aids sit behind the ear as a receiver in canal style, or RIC, and they're available in 5 different colors. You will receive a cleaning kit, travel pouch, and a hard-cover charger case. Custom ear molds are sold separately. Currently, these hearing aids are priced at $1,399.99 for a pair of hearing aids. Now, if this sounds like a great value for new hearing aids, go ahead and hit the like button. These hearing aids are manufactured by Sonova, which provides innovative hearing care solutions. Sonova operates through the Phonak, Unitron, and Hansa-Toned hearing aid brands, as well as the Advanced Bionics cochlear implant brand. First, the Kirkland Signature 10 hearing aids are rechargeable, which is not only convenient but also saves you money since you won't need to buy disposable batteries. Just place the hearing aids into the recharging case at night and they're ready to go in the morning. This is also helpful for people who have limited finger dexterity or for anyone who has trouble manipulating small disposable hearing aid batteries. The Kirkland Signature 10 hearing aids connect to iPhone and Android smartphones via Bluetooth. So whether you're taking a phone call, listening to music, enjoying YouTube videos, or catching up on your latest audiobook, you'll be able to hear all of your media with the customized clarity that only hearing aids can provide. Audio streaming can be controlled with the touch control feature by double tapping on the top of your ear to answer or end a phone call, play or stop music, and start and stop the voice assistant. Also, if you want to use a landline phone with your hearing aids, the Kirkland Signature 10 features a Telecoil or T-coil. This is a small coil of wire within the hearing aid that helps you hear and understand better on the phone without feedback or whistling in the ear. By default, the Kirkland Signature 10 hearing aids are automatically adjusting the sound for whatever environment you find yourself in. However, if you want more control, you can change your volume and program settings by using the MultiFunction button on top of the hearing aid. These changes can also be made by using the EasyLine Remote app for iPhone and Android. Within the app, you can create custom programs and also adjust the frequency response, noise reduction, dynamics, and speech clarity. The app also features Costco remote support with your hearing healthcare provider. Save yourself a trip by receiving a remote adjustment from home. If you want to try additional accessories, the Kirkland Signature 10 hearing aids are compatible with the EasyLine partner mic, EasyLine remote control, and TV connector, which are available separately. The EasyLine partner mic is a wireless microphone that sends the sound of another person's voice directly to the hearing aids. This can be very helpful for people who want to hear better in a noisy situation like a restaurant, when you're farther away from the person speaking, or when you may not be able to see the face of the person that's speaking to you. The EasyLine remote control is a simple remote that can be used in place of the EasyLine remote app, and the TV connector allows you to stream TV sound directly to your hearing aids. As you can see, Costco Kirkland Signature 10 hearing aids made by Sonova offer an incredible list of features at an amazing price. If these new hearing aids interest you, contact your local Costco Hearing Aid Center today for a hearing evaluation. Please hit the like button if you're excited to try out these new hearing aids from Costco. Comment below, what do you think about the Kirkland Signature 10 hearing aid features? Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Check out the free ebook in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.